Second place for $100. Good Gary. Everybody else gets $25 FSS gift cards. Thank you for coming. Congratulations, everybody.
I just have so many family in the military, and it's whatever I can do to give back and just perform, and it's going to be a good time all the time. So yeah.
Well, my family served. My grandfather was in the Air Force, so whenever I get the opportunity to perform for the military, it's a great honor, and I think about him, and he was a really special guy, and so it's amazing to be here and to think of what his life was like serving the way that the service men and women do when I get to perform on these bases, and it's amazing.